Hi, my name is Leah Cernick, Customer Relations Professional at Byrne, and today we will be installing data into our Open Data windows. First, you will need a voice data adapter kit, your Byrne accessory, and data of your choice. Today we will install HDMI into our Open Data window. When you receive your Byrne Power Data accessory with an Open Data window, you will receive either a 14-pack voice data adapter kit or a 12-pack voice data adapter kit. Typically, your Byrne unit will come installed with various types of data, such as HDMI or Cat6, or a blank like this one. When installing data, refer to your installation instructions to determine what window you will need on your voice data adapter kit. Today, for HDMI, we will be using the window that says CC. When looking to change data in the field, for example, from a blank to an HDMI, you will need a flathead screwdriver. Begin by removing the data bezel from the voice data adapter kit. Align the clip on the data with the clip on the voice data adapter bezel. Position the voice data bezel with the clip of the data. Press the voice data bezel down until you hear the click. Feed the opposite end of the data cable through the Open Data window in the Byrne accessory.
Go ahead and do it.
Align the clip on the data window with the notch in the opening of the Byrne accessory. Angle the data downward into the Open Data window and push down until it snaps into place. While installing your data cable into your Moray unit, make sure that you purchase a data cable that has flexibility to easily install into the Open Data window. Byrne does supply data cables for your Byrne Power Unit accessories, but if you are looking to use your own data, please refer to our telecommunications chart. As always, we are here to help. Feel free to reach out to your Byrne Customer Relations Professional with any additional questions or comments you have on your Byrne data installation.